Hello, hello. Welcome to my kitchen.
Hello, hi Andrew.
Hello.
How are you? How's everybody? Today we have a very special ingredient. My kids love it. This is the kind of ingredients that most of the people they don't like. I do believe they don't like it is because they have no idea how to prepare. So please watch the whole video and try it at home and let me know what happened. What is the ingredient, Andrew?
Liver.
Liver! This is beef liver, and I'm going to make it with arepas. Arepas is like a corn cake. They are from Colombia. Okay, from Venezuela too. My Venezuelans, they don't have to get mad at me. And we're going to put it with the onions. Trust me, you're going to love it. So, ready? Liver! Whenever I cook liver, the first thing I do is ask my butcher to slice it nice and thin. Liver cooks very quickly, so thinner pieces stay tender and cook even. Before cooking it, I like to soak the liver in milk for about 1 to 2 hours. These simple steps help mellow the flavor and give the liver a smoother texture. Cover it and let it rest about 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Now, while the liver is resting, let's make the arepas. I love serving liver and onions with arepas because that's exactly how my mom used to make it. Growing up, this was a very common meal at home, and the arepas were always there. Arepas are a traditional corn flatbread from Colombia and Venezuela, made with pre-cooked corn flour. They are crispy on the outside, soft inside, and they go with almost everything. Also, are very simple to make. All you need is pre-cooked corn flour, warm water, a little salt, and today I'm adding a bit of butter for extra flavor. I mix everything until the dough comes together and feels soft and easy to shape. Once the dough is ready, let it rest for about 10 minutes. And now is the perfect time to start working on the onion. I love to use white onions into rings and cook them slowly with a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and Italian herbs. In a medium-high pan, I add the olive oil, the onions, and the goal is let them soften and slowly caramelize until they become sweet and golden. If you like a little spicy like me, you can add a little bit of red flake peppers. As the onion cooks slowly, they start to caramelize and become natural sweet. This sweetness is exactly why they work so well with the liver. The onions are cooking, the liver is soaking, it's time for the arepas. It's been like 5 to 10 minutes. It's already ready to start making arepas. We're gonna make big arepas. Bowl like this. More.
You need so much more.
Like mommy's. A little more. And start like doing like party cake, bakers, man. Andrew, do you remember that we made tortillas in the last previous videos? Where we made tostadas and we made homemade tortillas. Please go and watch those videos that you haven't after this video. Put between two plastics, cutting board. Have it and put it in the grill.
So you want big arepas. And then... Is that too big? Is that too big? It'll take hours.
At this point, I like to add about 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You can use sherry vinegar or lemon juice. This helps to deglaze the pan and adds a little acidity that balances the sweetness of the onion. It's going to taste delicious.
We want to concentrate the flavor?
It's now concentrated flavor. It's giving extra sweetness.
Okay. Complements the flavor.
It complements the flavor. You only need a little bit.
Thank you.
You don't need like a... Onions are ready. Now we're going to do the liver.
Yay.
Yay. After soaking the liver in milk, now I'm going to pat them dry with paper towels. Removing that extra moisture helps the liver brown better in the pan. Always doing one by one so we are sure they're completely dry. And please don't forget the arepas. Just flip over and they're almost done. It's about like 4 to 5 minutes for each side. After the liver is dry with the paper towels, I prepare a simple flour mixture with salt, black pepper, and a little Italian herbs. You can use garlic salt if you prefer. Then I gently coat each piece of liver in the seasoning flour. This adds the flavor, doing for both sides, and gently shakes all the extra flour. And I heat a little olive oil in the pan and add about 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter melts and gives the liver a really nice flavor while it cooks. Once the pan is hot, I cook the liver for about 2 minutes per side. Because the slices are thin, they cook quickly. The goal is to get a nice golden color without overcooking the beautiful liver. The arepas are ready. I love when they're crunchy outside and I put butter. Look at that beautiful liver. I can't wait to eat this. I know liver is that kind of ingredient that somebody love it or somebody hate it. Trust me, I'm the kind of person who absolutely love liver. Now everything is ready, so it's time to put the plate together. I start with the arepas, nice and crunchy, and then I add the liver and those sweet caramelized onions right on top. This is exactly how my mom used to serve it when I was growing up. That is what I call simple food cooking at home.
Now, Andrew, the moment of truth. You grab a piece and I grab the other piece. We have the arepa, we have onions, we have the liver. Salud. I love liver since I was little. I love liver. That's it for today. You have to make this at home. A lot of iron and protein and organs meat. Oh, that's really good for you. I know it's hard. I know some people, they don't like it, but try. Go to your butcher guy and tell him, I want to try liver. Can you please give me a really thin slice of liver and try it at home? What else, Andrew?
Cooking at home with the familia is an act of love and health.
Yay! Please subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what you guys think about this recipe.
Ciao.
See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Entre risas y sabor se llena el corazón, platos llenos de amor en cada rincón. Cocinar en familia es un acto de amor. Entre el fuego y la olla siembra nuestro calor. Mientras hierve la